Hi everybody, welcome back. We are going to make beautiful mini rose bouquet. For that, first take a red strip of paper and twist it and start rolling it like this. Repeat the process again and again. Twist it and start rolling it until you got a little rose flower like this one. We are getting a rose, right? After that, make 3 cuts on green paper. Fold it like this from the top and wrap the rose around the green paper. Twist the remaining portion as we are doing in the video. Now make many of them. Look, and wrap all of them on a newspaper. Tie a bow and it is ready. We are going to make a beautiful jewelry box using craft paper. For that, first take a piece of paper and fold 2 corners, flip it and again start folding until we got such shape. Look, and make more such shapes and tug all the corners on alternate like this. Fix the base and then the top. After that, paste the handle and look, your mini jewelry box is ready.